Hey guys, and this is it. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is just a few months away, and there have been some few exciting leaks such as a bigger battery, a new UI, a new S Pen, but the most exciting one was the in-display fingerprint scanner. We've heard that Samsung considered one of the in-display fingerprint scanner solutions for its Galaxy Note 9, and after that, there was no news whatsoever. A few patents to raise our hopes, showing that Samsung is indeed working on an in-display fingerprint scanner, but seems like it's not for the Note 9. So recently, Ice Universe has finally revealed the truth. He spoke his heart out regarding the Galaxy Note 9. To start off, Ice Universe first tweeted out saying that Samsung was lazy in 2018. He concludes that Note 9 will not going to change that much compared to the Note 8. In other words, it's going to be a Note 8s kind of upgrade, just like the Galaxy S9 family. Now we kind of knew this because the Galaxy Note phone is like based on the Galaxy S phone, and Samsung don't introduce major designs with the Galaxy Note series, so it's like an obvious thing to say, but still there were excitement regarding the in-display fingerprint scanner. But later on, he tweeted that it is almost certain that Note 9 has no fingerprint on display. The truth has been revealed. Ice Universe has a great track record when it comes to Samsung leaks. He's a pro Samsung leakster, and I remember he tweeted the same things for the Galaxy S9 for its launch, like a month or two before its launch, saying that Samsung is lazy and the Galaxy S9 family is pretty much just like the Galaxy S8 family, so that did turn out to be true. He further went into the details saying that the Galaxy Note 9 will be 2mm shorter compared to the Galaxy Note 8, and that it's not going to be that noticeable unless you really pay attention to it. Kind of like the story we have here with the Galaxy S8 versus S9. I mean, from the first look, you can't really see that the Galaxy S9 actually has a slightly minimal bottom bezel unless you look really closely. Now, Note 9 is rumored to have a bigger 6.4-inch display instead of 6.3-inch. At the same time, it will be 2mm shorter in size, which means that the bezels will be shorter to make the overall size of the Note 9 smaller than the Note 8, despite having a bigger display. But still, Ice Universe says that the change will not going to be a noticeable one. It's not going to be a bigger change. It will still resemble the Note 8 a lot, kind of like the S8, S9 story. Now, I know a lot of you might be pissed about this, but I feel like that we are expecting a lot from Samsung. I mean, we expect a big design change every year. We can't have that. The Galaxy S8 was announced just a year ago. It started a new era, and the S9 is taking that forward. I mean, who brings huge generational design changes every year? The only thing that I'm a little sad about is not having the fingerprint scanner in display, because Samsung is clearly not being courageous here. They're not taking risks. I definitely feel like they can do it. I mean, after using this technology in person with this Vivo phone, it works almost all the time, and I would personally prefer this over any facial scanner. It's convenient, but I guess Samsung will still go with a better placed back fingerprint scanner plus intelligent scanning. In later tweets, the inner Sammy boy of Ice Universe came out. He got really pissed and saying sales are going bad. Xiaomi is taking over China, Huawei is capturing Europe, and Samsung is still taking the Galaxy S8 design and not moving on. Then he shared two Note 9 renders, with one with minimal bottom bezel, saying that Samsung can make this design, but they are saving the cost and going for the thicker one, similar to the Galaxy Note 8. If you guys remember, it was kind of the same thing with the Galaxy S9. Samsung originally planned a smaller bottom bezel Galaxy S9 design, but they later scrapped it and went with the design very similar to the S8 family. So same thing is happening here. So the truth is here, guys, pretty much the design is the same. There is no fingerprint scanner on the display. Most probably it's going to be on the back with a better position away from camera, but Ice Universe further says that software part could be the major change that we are looking for. It could be something to look forward to, because Samsung might actually debut a brand new UI called as Crown UI. The last time Samsung introduced a big UI was with the Galaxy Note 7. It was called as Grace UI. So this could be the time where Samsung will introduce another brand new software change with the Galaxy Note 9. I do think that they're doing this because they want to make us wait for the 10th anniversary Galaxies. I mean, patents are showing that there will be complete elimination of the bottom bezel, and there will be no notch, just going to be a minimal top bezel for the sensors and everything, and the rest will be just infinity. So looking at all this situation, it's so much better to wait for next year's flagships, I guess. The internal specification will get upgraded as usual. Snapdragon 45 processor will be there, and we actually got a real Geekbench score benchmark this time for the Snapdragon Note 9, and just as expected, the scores are pretty good, and the Exodus model will score even better. It's gonna go 3000 plus in single core easily without any problem, and will go beyond 9000 with the multi-core performance. In other news, Samsung is about to launch a Galaxy S8 Lite with the Galaxy S8's body, but with a cheaper Snapdragon 660 chipset and a 16 megapixel camera. It's coming in red color and heading straight to China, but there are rumors that Samsung might actually release this worldwide. So there you have it, guys. The truth will set you all free. The Note 9, no on-display fingerprint scanner, a little bit shorter than Note 8 despite having a bigger display, but overall still it's going to resemble the Note 8. The change will be very small, and we're going to see a brand new UI change. It is heavily expected, so let me know your thoughts on this, what you think about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Are you still excited, or are you going to skip this and go wait for the Galaxy S10 or Note 10 that are coming next year, which is going to be amazing? There's also going to be the foldable Galaxy coming next year, so I mean 2019 is going to be a fire year for Samsung. I can't wait for that. But yeah, let me know your thoughts about this Galaxy Note 9 that is coming right now, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.